Okay then, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is CA Sankalp Kanstiya and I welcome each one of you in this session on Advanced Strategic Financial Management. Are you excited to learn something new? Then let the game begin. So guys, we are entering into this new world and I want to welcome each one of you. Alright guys, are you excited? Everybody please confirm the audio video, the live students especially, and special greetings to my uh, Google Drive students as well. Let's have a beautiful journey filled with a lot of excitement, lot of new learnings for you, for me, and let's make it a very memorable batch, a very good batch as well. All right, guys. So please confirm the audio and the video, the live students. And once you confirm this, we will get things started. Okay? Yes, please tell me. You just have to say AV proper or not. Sure. So, first things, let us understand something about me, because the next so many hours you are going to be with me, so you should know whom are you talking to. So myself, CACS Sankalp Kanstiya. By profession, I am a chartered accountant and a company secretary, and I have worked with a financial based company, world's one of the biggest financial based company, for a span of approximately 4.5 to 5 years. So the things that I have learned in my practical life is what I will be applying here as well. So I cleared my CA probably when I was around 22, born and brought up in Mumbai, studied in a college called as Narsimonji College, which is again from Mumbai. I cleared both the CA and CS and then joined JP Morgan. I worked there in their asset management and financial due diligence team and had a very nice experience. And those are the experience which I am going to share with you when I'm going to teach you this subject. Are you excited for the same? Yes. So, once I cleared my CA, had option of joining Big Four or the other option of joining a financial based company, basically joining the industry. Now, when I connect the dots, I feel so happy to join a financial based company for a simple reason that now I'm also teaching the same things to you. Because if I would have joined a big four, then I don't think so. My knowledge of finance would have been as good as what it is now. So, as they say, connecting the dots. You never know what things are going to help you in the future. So you have to enjoy the process. You have to enjoy the present. Eventually, future takes care of yourself. If you crib or if you are not, really happy about the present, obviously the future will never be work out the way you want it to be. So live in the present, be 100% there, and give your 100% to the present. That's just a thing which I always feel and tell all my students, because as students we have a lot of tensions in our head, isn't it? The articleship, the pressure of clearing chartered accountancy, the pressure of rising age, the pressure of parents and family and friends and relatives and everything. In that, what happens a lot of times is we tend to, our mind tends to deviate somewhere else. But my clear suggestion, be whatever you are at 100% at the moment, give your best, and I'm sure things will always work out the way you want it to be. Now, coming back to the world of financial management. So, I had a 6 rounds of interview in JP Morgan when I cleared my chartered accountancy examination. And trust me, those 6 rounds are even clear in my head right now. Probably when we move on with the lecture, someday I will share with you what was asked in those 6 rounds and how did it all the interview went. And I'm sure it will be a fulfilling experience to hear, as you will also be facing such kind of interviews when you become professionals. Now, coming back to our paper, and that is paper 2 AFM, especially if I speak of final students. So what is going to be our portion? How are we going to approach this? Today's lecture is going to be very light, and we'll keep it very short also. I'll just discuss today as to One, what exactly is our portion? What is going to be my approach to manage this portion? What are the books that we are going to take? What are the lectures that we are, how is the lectures approach going to be? All of that is going to be discussed in today's session. But the sessions will only be fruitful if it is a two-way communication. If it is just going to be, I am coming here, taking the lecture and going, then in that case, it is not going to be of any use. So I want each one of you to be totally communicative, especially the live students. Even the Google Drive students will be communicative with me because I will be sharing my WhatsApp number to you. So you can also share your thoughts as regards the sessions and topics going on. So let's start on that note. First thing that I want to know, how many of you are doing this subject for the first time? Or is it that you have studied it and doing it again, or what is it? Anyways, I am going to teach you from the basics, so you need not worry. I am going to teach this subject such that even if your parents who will not be connected to the financial field, even if they attend this lecture, I assure you they will also be able to understand each and everything. But for that, just asking you out of curiosity, how many of you are doing this subject for the first time? You have no idea at all of this subject, or and it's just a brush up that you are doing. If you can tell me. First time. Okay, great. So basically you want me to teach from the basics, am I right, sir? Great. Okay. First time. So majority of you all are first timers, so that's great to know. So first thing that you should know is what exactly is in your portion, and that's what I write here. Paper 2 AFM. Let's understand the proper portion. I have personally divided this portion into 4 phases. Okay, very strategically, very smartly, I have done this. And for you, from now on, you will also understand this subject as a part of 4 phases only. So if your friends ask, or if you are ever communicating regarding this subject, you always have to communicate how that, oh, on which phase are you, which is the first phase, which is the second phase, and all of that. So I have divided the whole portion into 4 phases. Let's try and understand what exactly are we going to do in each of the phases. First is phase 1. And what is this phase 1? This phase 1 is called as mutual funds, portfolio management. I will also tell you the logic behind keeping this whole concept. And the third is valuation of security. All right, guys. This is the first phase. So these are the 3 chapters which are a part of phase 1. Then comes phase 2. Wow, this phase is danger. So I write it in red. Forex. Derivatives, my favorites. Okay. So Forex. Then we have derivatives, IFM, which is also called as International Financial Management. And then we have interest rate risk management. Then we have phase 3. In phase 3, we will be doing topics like mergers and acquisitions. Okay. Then there is going to be advanced capital budgeting, which was introduced by ICAI only in this new training session, also called as ACB. And the third is business valuation, also called as corporate valuation. Okay. And the last phase I have devoted for our theory. So this is going to be your phase 4, which consists of all theory chapters. So this is the theory wala phase. What are the chapters that we are going to cover here? First is going to be securitization. Then is going to be risk management. Then we have startup finance, security analysis. I hope you are able to understand my handwriting. If not, let me know. Security analysis. And then financial policy and strategy. Financial policy and corporate strategy. So we can just write here and strategy. So these are the securitization, risk management, startup finance, security analysis, and financial policy and strategy. Now, why have sir divided this into 4 phases? The answer is very clear. Because this is how institute is going to ask you. So phase 1 will be asked for approximately 25 to 30%. See, if you know, with options, the paper is approximately of 114 to 120 marks with option. So phase 1, 25 to 30 marks. Phase 2, same, 25 to 30 marks. So 25 to 30, I'll not say here percent, I'll write here marks. So phase 1 will be approximately, there will be times when up little bit up and down will be there. So just don't think that exact it is going to be this way, but approximately this is going to be our approach. Why? Because when we complete phase 1, you can very easily say that okay, phase 1 is completed, now I am tension free for my 25 to 30 marks. Then phase 2 is completed, again tension free for my more 25 to 30 marks. So this way, what is going to happen is we'll not even feel a burden of the chapters, and at the same time we'll keep on enjoying completing phase by phase. Also, let me tell you the level of difficulties as regards the phases. So first phase is basically, I'll say, a medium difficult level. Phase 2, as per students, not as per me, after the sessions, and you only tell me whether the phase 2 was difficult for you or it was easy, and trust me, it is the most interesting phase. You are going to love it. Then there is phase 3, which I will say as average, and phase 4 is going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, guys. See, as far as I'm concerned, phase 2 majorly I will be taking live for sure. See, as such, this is a live plus recorded batch. So few lectures will be given to you recorded, and few lectures will be live. I'll keep a balance of both of them, but I will at least try and ensure that at least the easy part will be given to you as recorded. The difficult part, I will do it in the class for sure live. And even if a recorded lecture is given to you, you need not worry at all, because if you have any doubts as regard that, I will always be available for you for sure. So sir, where can we get in touch with you? I will let you know everything. First, write this much down so that you are now clear with all the chapters that we are going to cover in the upcoming 2 months that we are together for. Alright guys, so please write this much down and let me know done so that I can then move on quickly. And anything you want to ask, anything you want to comment, feel free to do that as well. But I can assure you, we are going to love each and every bit of this subject. Done? Great. Guys, keep on confirming done so that I come to know that yes, you are done or not, because that will really be helpful to me. Sure, done. Okay, see, now, okay, what are your expectations from the batch? I will list it down. You can also tell me in the comments. As a student, what are your expectations from the batch? Tell me, guys. Batch expectations. Let's do a reverse analysis. You know, instead of me asking you after the batch completes, how was it? Let's do a this is called as feed forward. Before, see, when the lectures are done, I will take a feedback. How are the lectures? Now we are doing a feed forward. What is called as a feed forward? It's a new concept. Feed forward means asking for a feedback before the things are beginning, so that I come to know that, okay, these are your expectations. I will try to fulfill majority of them. All right, guys, what say? So, chalo, let I have my list of batch expectations that I will want to fulfill and deliver it to you. But let me also understand from your end. Let me understand how good are my live batch students in terms of communication and everything. So we will be able to connect accordingly. What are your batch expectations, guys? Come on. So first thing that every student wants and expects is that, sir, please ensure there is 100% ICAI coverage. Isn't it? Yes. So done. This is my promise from me to you. Okay, Sushil is very smart. He has written, ensure give me a 60% in AFMC. That depends on you. I will teach you the best. I will give you the best books. I will give you everything. But in the exam, it is you who has to write. If you don't attend the lectures regularly, if you don't do writing practice, as I am saying, if you don't do my homework, then how will I be able to give you that 60 plus? So 60 plus is dependent on you. What are the resources that you want from me to ensure that you get to that target is what we are discussing, brother. Right? Okay. Solving all sums including past questions is what Surekha is saying. Okay. Proper question solving methodology with practice as per Mr. Suhas. Okay. Mr. Jayant is saying expecting to solve at least one question of each concept in class, preferably important ones. Okay, Mr. Jayant. Got your point. Others? Yes. Okay. 100%, let me tell you, ICAI coverage. And Mr. Jayant, at least one question of each concept. We will do many questions, many examples. Don't you worry, brother. So 100% ICAI coverage. Now when I say 100% ICAI coverage, I plan to cover module 100%. 100% all practical questions of module will be done. Yes. Second, past paper somebody has written. Third, RTP. Fourth, MTP. These are the four most important things in terms of resources that we are going to cover in this batch. Second, if 100% was not enough, 200% focus on concept clarity. Till the time you are not conceptually clear, you will not enjoy this subject. You will not enjoy my 100% of solving also. Even if I solve 100% sums, but if you are not clear here, then it will not be a really productive thing. So even more focus is going to be on conceptual clarity. And Miss Varenya has written the same thing. Conceptual clarity and tips and techniques to solve all questions in the simplest manner for sure. So 200% focus on concept clarity. And for that, for this to happen, guys, for this to happen, I have my unique way. I have my unique way of doing things, and that is going to be this 3-step approach. Before discussing any concept, I will discuss a live example with you. Then from that live example, I will connect the concept with you. And from that concept, we will be solving the practical question and answer that we spoke here. If you see ICAI's paper, then in that case, you will realize without this, you will never be able to score good marks. Even if you do 100% ICAI thing, this for me is of utmost priority, because even if there are some changes in the question, you will still be able to manage it if this second point is very clear. What are your thoughts, right? Yes. Yes. Next point, third point. Okay, so this is going to be my approach. Always for teaching you anything, it will start always with an example. An example which you and me both will be able to connect. Sir, also add some fun so class isn't boring. So how is it that going to become? Is it going to be through some jokes that you want me to crack? Is it? Okay. 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 So where are you guys from? Tell me also the places from where you are from. I'm assuming that majority of you are from the southern part of India. So please tell me where and how. Because I have a lot of students from south part of India. So definitely. Yeah, sir. After seeing paper 6, IBS concept is very important. All concepts are important here. Yes. Okay. Now the third point. Derivation of formulas. There are going to be more than 200 plus formulas in this subject. Do you feel you will be able to mug up all the formulas? It is practically going to be impossible. If you mug up all the formulas, you know what is going to happen? On the exam day, everything will get jumbled up. But if we have derived all the formulas, it is going to be a cakewalk for us. So derivation of formulas is the third point. Okay. Okay, so we have students from Bengaluru, Chennai எப்படி இருக்க நல்லா இருக்க ரொம்ப நல்லா சாப்பிட்டீங்களா okay Bengaluru Haigadira okay Visakhapatnam Maharashtra Varenya is from Maharashtra. Where in Maharashtra? Varenya? Chennai. Okay, great. So third point is derivation of formulas. We will try to have it. Guntur is again a very nice place. Many students from Guntur. Yes. Derivation of formulas. Fourth thing. Teach from the basics. I will ensure in all my sessions that I teach you from the basics. Even if you have studied this subject first or you are doing it for the first time, doesn't matter to me. Let me fill the whole world of concepts of financial management in a proper manner. So I will be teaching from the basics for sure. Chandrapur, okay. Karimnagar, very nice. Okay, great. Then revision lectures. At the end of it, when you are going to revise after 3 months, 4 months, you should be able to recollect everything. So I will try my best to give you revision sessions or revision lecture of all chapters. Of all chapters. And we will also be doing MCQ along with the chapters. What I have done is for MCQ specially is I have created a Telegram channel. Through that Telegram channel, I usually do the MCQs. So I will share you the link of the Telegram channel also. You can join it and the MCQs will be taken care from here. Okay, guys. So any other expectations? This is the major expectations with which we are starting this whole subject. Somebody has said, sir, please keep on joking around. I will do that. Is it? Sure. Sure. Done, guys. Test and evaluation. Sure. Good point. We will try to ensure to have tests on regular basis. Okay, done for sure. Sure. Now this is done. This is the batch expectations, and I and me and also one more thing that I want from you all. If I am giving you anything for homework, please ensure that you are completing it on time. For sure, if you have any doubts in the homework, you can always get in touch with me. I will help you for sure. But please ensure that homework is being done on time. So please ensure, this is my expectation from you. Only one expectation: proper completion of homework. Yeah, proper completion of homework. Okay, guys? Now, next thing. So today are we going to study anything about specifically AFM? Maybe not today, because it's the first session. I don't want you to get overburdened with things. From the next session, for sure, we are starting with a new topic. So don't worry, which is going to be tomorrow only, by the way. My or our approach to the subject. My or our approach to the subject. Let's start. First is going to be the books. Now this is going to be your friend, philosopher and guide after I have taught you all. See, my role is to teach you conceptually, make things clear. But when you are going to revise it once, twice, thrice, at that point in time, the books are going to be your best companion. So this has to have 100% coverage. This has to have 100% coverage. So let me tell you that books covers all concepts with questions and solutions. With questions and solutions. Alright, guys. In case I am giving you anything for homework, then the question will also come with answer. Then the question will also come with answer. So question and answer both will be included. Now, what are the books that you are going to get? You are going to get 3 books. First book that you are going to get is called as Optimized Books. This you will get 2 volumes. One is going to be volume 1, which will have approximately 6 to 7 chapters, and the volume 2 will also have another remaining chapters. Then you will also get a magic book. This magic book is for your exam time revision. So this is going to be your summary book. Why? For the exam time revision. The revision lectures that I usually record are from the magic book. But obviously we have to do in the classroom, we are going to use the optimized for solving all the question and answers. Okay, guys. So this is about the book. See, I'm just giving you an idea of everything so that before starting the process, the warm up is very crucial. So we are done with all of that, right? Next thing that we have in our books. Okay, chalo, I'll just open one of the chapters for y'all. And this chapter is say mutual funds. For example, this chapter is mutual funds. Now the thing, once you open the book, you will find something called as a study mentor. This basically is like a live tracker of how things have worked out. This is for your to fill, not me. Also, this is going to be very helpful in your paper 6, which is called as IBS. Why? Because in IBS, you need an index. This index I have already made here. So say for example, there is a question in your IBS relating to say systematic investment plan. So all you have to do is just open this index, and once you see this page 14, you can, it's an open book exam, so you can flip to page 14, open the book, write down the answer, done. So this is where this study mentor, which is a tracker, live tracker, is going to be very helpful to you. How are you going to use it? As soon as I'm done with any topic or any question and answer, you have to tick once what is done. Now, obviously, just doing it once is not going to help. Again, you will have to revise it. Whenever you revise it, second time you have to put a tick mark. Third time, fourth time. During the exam, if you feel that, okay, I find question number 9 very challenging, and you feel that this can come in the exam, or I have marked it as very, very important, then you can highlight this. On the day of examination, all you have to do is just open this tracker, the highlighted questions, just go to those questions, page number 24, solve it, and you are through. So this is where this is going to be helpful even till the end of the examinations. All right, guys. And as you can see here at the top, as you can see here at the top, these are the 5 things that we have. If you want to clear your exam in the first attempt, then please do it thrice. So there should be 3 ticks at least in all this. Somebody said that I want to secure 60 plus, okay, or a rank also, then you should have 4 ticks. And finally, expertise level, rank 1 to 10, you should have 5 ticks. So now it's up to you which category you want to fall into. But for sure, see, first red tick will come with my lecture. So that is done. The second, third, fourth ticks is dependent on your practice. The more you do, the better marks you will get. As simple and clear with that. Okay. So it's all a proportion of your practice and your marks. Directly proportional. Simple. Okay, guys. So this was your study mentor and a live tracker as well. So second thing is study mentor, which is nothing but your live tracker. Okay, done. Third thing that you are going to see in the book is going to be a preview. So this is your study mentor. Okay, guys. So till the end, how many questions are there? Say 47. How many times, how many ticks are there? Then comes your preview. What exactly is this preview? This gives you an overall idea of what all we are going to do in this subject. So just a pictorial idea of introduction to mutual funds, how to establish a mutual fund, what are the types of mutual funds, types of schemes in the mutual fund, formulas, few classifications, everything. A preview, a bird's eye view of the topic. All right. So it's not that directly we are going to jump into it. A bird's eye view. Few formulas are there in the chapter. So this is also going to be helpful. So see, what happens is, once I am completed with the chapter, second time when you revise, you will have this preview available with you. Once you go through the preview, everything you will be able to recollect. Okay, this is what we had done in the lectures. And then you can start with your typical question answer solving, concept solving, and formula solving. Got it, guys? So this third thing is going to be preview in all the chapters, wherein specifically, see, a basic idea of the chapter, what all we are going to cover, what all formulas are there in the chapter are also taken here. Gotcha, everybody? So third point is write down preview. Third point is preview. Gotcha? Okay. Fourth, all the chapters will have theory plus diagrammatic presentation. This is theory. This is the diagrammatic presentation wherever required. What exactly is mutual fund? Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala is asking. I want to invest in share market. Somebody is saying gold. Somebody is saying real estate. Mutual funds will combine all of that. So pictorial presentation wherever required. What is mutual fund? What is the cycle of mutual fund? And then the theory. So theory, diagrammatically explained, all of that. Right now, what is the benefits and drawbacks in the form of a table so that we are able to connect very, very quickly. So the next point is, the book is going to be a combination of theory plus diagrammatic representation. Theory plus diagrammatic presentation. Next, practical question and answers. all are solved. 100% all ICAI covered by default. All ICAI questions covered by default. In fact, much more than that also. So few questions say ICAI is given in the module. Say few additional questions maybe from RTP, MTP past papers. Few of my additional questions. All of that inclusive. If you do the book thoroughly, I don't think so you need anything else. And the cherry on the cake is going to be the magic book. This magic book is basically the summary book. This magic book is going to be the summary book for your exam day preparation. Only for your exam day preparation. Okay, guys. So clear with our approach to the subject. All right. So this is how your books is going to feature. As I told you, there will be practical question and answers. So see this practical question and answers. Here it is. And wherever possible. So say if example, what is this? This is basic calculation of NAV. If this question has been asked in the exam, so I have written the year. Past paper May 10, May 2014, May 2016, the same question was asked. Alright guys, so this is how the whole subject is going to be worked up. I will request you all to please write this down as well. Done? Okay. Next thing that I want to discuss today is about the paper pattern. What is going to be the paper pattern, sir? Okay, have a look. Okay. So the paper pattern will be divided into two parts. This paper pattern will be divided into two parts. One is called as the MCQ part and the other is called as the descriptive part. Okay. MCQ is going to be 30 marks compulsory, and there will be options in your descriptive 70 marks. This 30 marks is compulsory, and there will be approximately 3 to 4 case studies, okay, of 8 to 10 marks, depends, okay, of 6 to 10 marks. So one case study may be of 10 mark, other case study would be of 16 mark, 6 mark, whatever. So that depends on ICA. Per MCQ 1 to 2 marks. Per MCQ 1 to 2 marks. So if you want, we can write here MCQ of 1 or 2 marks. Alright. Okay. Now the descriptive. Descriptive will consist of question 1 to question 6, of which question 1 is going to be compulsory. Question 1 is going to be compulsory for 14 marks. Clear everyone? Then question 2 to question 6, any 4. Question 2 to question 6, any 4. And this is going to be 14 marks. 14 marks, 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 14 multiply by 4 question is equal to 56 marks. 56 plus 14, 70 plus 30, 100. Got it, guys? But in question 2 to question 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to select any 4. You have to select any 4. Got it, everybody? So please write down the paper pattern as well. Okay, one question just generally I'm asking. See, for sure, I'm going to cover the syllabus that is there, 100% your ICAI syllabus and question and answers, concepts and everything will be covered. Do you want me also to, in between, if we have time, to connect you to the global financial markets as well? That is going to be something additional knowledge for you. Or you want that, no sir, just stay restricted to this? We are happy with this. You can just tell me frankly and honestly. It should not happen that along with this I teach you some additional things and you are saying, oh no, no, not required. So that should not happen. So just asking you, that's the reason I'm conducting this first introduction lecture, so that I can catch the vibe of the students. Sushil, have your friends joined? Is the technical issue resolved? Okay, guys, so that's it for today's session. So just wanted to give you an idea. First session's introduction is done. Tomorrow we will start with our first chapter, first things, and yeah, let's do it in the best manner possible. Let's try to get the maximum marks in this subject and make this as the strongest subject amongst all of that we are going to give. Let this subject be the subject which pushes us, pushes our group overall, group 1, group 2, as the case may be. All right, guys, chalo, take care. And now, before signing off, you have to drop me a WhatsApp. What is that WhatsApp? On my number 9819201473, you have to give me a manifestation. I will score 80 plus marks in AFM or SFM as the case may be. And also write down your name, location, and batch that you have taken. So batch, if you have taken a say AFM full English, just write down AFM FE. All right. So that the reason of asking you this is so that from the first day itself we will get connected. So that in future, in case you have any doubts, you can directly just drop me a WhatsApp. I will be able to remember, okay, this student is connected to me, so definitely I will solve your doubts on priority. At the same time, this is the manifestation that we are taking, and hopefully we will secure this and you will send me the result as well. All right, guys, what's it? Okay. Okay, guys, so time for me to say hasta la vista. Keep smiling. Thank you so much. Take care. And waiting for your WhatsApps. Also, if possible, make this your today's, you can say a wallpaper or a story or something, so that the vibes are clear and the motive is clear to ensure the best in this subject. Sure. Take care. Okay, one more thing. All the notes that I am writing here, will be uploaded in the next day in the Google Drive, which will be sent to you probably in a day or two. And if you are a Google Drive student, you would have already got it. Okay. All the notes that I am writing will be shared to you. All the notes that I am writing will be shared to you on the Google Drive. So there will be a folder, handwritten notes, and in that you can access all of this. Okay, guys? Sure. Bye-bye. Anything else? You have my WhatsApp number now. We'll stay in touch. Take care. Bye-bye. Keep smiling.